Question number 33. It's a parajumble odd one out question. Here we need to find a mandatory pair. Now in option A we have the word lake bled, and then in option C we also have the word lake bled. Now if we read A and C or C and A, they make a mandatory pair. One thing is there in in these kind of questions, you don't have to arrange AC or CA. If you can get a hint that AC or CA will be a mandatory pair, then that helps you eliminate options. Now at its center is Blade Island. At whose center? So this one is a question which has to be asked. Then in sentence B it says Bled offers sweet memories to its millions of residents. Now obviously this one is not talking about a lake, or it's not talking about an island, because an island cannot have millions of residents, right? That will be logically incorrect. And A, C, and D, they're talking about tourist destination. They're talking about the beauty of the place. That has one of the most beautiful churches. Then it has a most popular tourist destination. Then it talks about Slovenia's beloved Lake Bled, because it is ringed by thick forests and guarded by a stern medieval castle. So it's talking about a place and its beauty. B is talking about some kind of memories given to its residents. So that doesn't fit the context of this paragraph. It might be it might be a line from the first paragraph of this essay which introduces the place called Bled. It might be the name of a country, or it might be the name of a city, but it is definitely not the name. It doesn't fit with the context when I'm talking about a lake or an island. So the option is B.